All right, and now we are going to walk through some of the other features that we have here on our platform. So again, up here at the top, you're going to see some of the buttons that you can click through during the rest of your day. So we're going to walk through this swag bag feature. So at any given time when you are in with an employer and you go to their videos tab and they have a video here that you would like to keep for yourself for the rest of the day. So what you're going to do is you're going to find that video, scroll over to the right, and click swag bag. Now this has been added to your swag bag tab up here at the top. And so at any given time throughout the day, you can go back to your swag bag and play the videos, or you're also able to email this over to yourself so that you can view them after the event. Our next feature here is the Auditorium. So we're going to have a couple fun videos posted here for you to click through during the day. So you can just come here at any given time and watch those videos and engage with those, but more to come on event day. Our leaderboard. So this is the fun incentive we have for all of our students here. As you can see, there's a point system, and you can see some of the different actions you have to do and the points that are assigned for each of those actions. At the end of the day, the students that lead our leaderboard, we have a couple prizes listed down here, and we have a couple fun more prizes that we will announce on event day. But there's Amazon gift cards up for grabs, and there's going to be a couple tech prizes as well. So it's a big feature that we are encouraging you to interact with and take seriously, because there will be a lot of rewards for you to do so. So at any given time, on the left over here where it's not showing up right now because we do not have students in our platform, but there will be a running list of the students who are leading and how many points that they have accumulated throughout the day. Our Scavenger Hunt. So here's another way to get some points throughout the day. We have this small compass icon down here, and there's 15 of these compass icons hidden throughout our platform. These can be anywhere from within an employer booth to somewhere in the auditorium to somewhere in the lobby. So we encourage you to dig around on the platform, and whenever you see a compass, you click on this and this will be added to your account. And once you've found all 15, you get 50 points for each of the compasses that you find. And those points go back to your leaderboard and help you accumulate points and beat some of your fellow students. And lastly, we are going to go through Information Desk. So this is where some of us from the chamber are going to be sitting throughout the day. So we're happy to answer any questions that you come across as you're going through the career fair. If you want to know where a specific employer is or how to navigate around on the platform or anything else that you come across, we are here to help. Even if you need help coming up with your elevator pitch or how to talk to employers or questions to ask, things like that, we're here to help however we can. We also will be here to help with technical assistance. So if you do come across any problems with the platform, something is not loading for you, or you're having a glitch in your screen somewhere, feel free to come over and we will help you with some technical assistance as well and get you up and running so you can enjoy the rest of your day on the platform. Well, that concludes all of the information that we have to share with you today. Please reach out if you do have any questions before event day, but we are so excited to have you join us and we can't wait to see you. Have a great day. Thank you.